Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna fall, actually. Got no balance. Go on the tree. This tree. Just don't miss. That'll be funny. Good content. You're good. Balance. I'm gonna shake it. Oh my goodness. Let's go. Terrible.
We got the trees. They've been here for like 100-something years.
Taking a tour, guys.
Like, okay. I seen some shit, but not that much shit as rocks. And then we got the clearing, and you can see through the canopy of the leaves. Usually we had monkeys around here, but they died off.
Just gonna put some monkeys up there.
We got some broken branches over here.
What happened to that?
Thunderstorm. Somebody was mad. They threw a party. I don't know. Down there you got a big hill. And you can hear some stuff down there, so there might be some stuff down there. I don't know.
I like this tour.
Across the way, you can see a lot of domestication. You got those houses and stuff. They go for like around 160,000. Not that bad.
Not that bad. Damn, well, you got money like that?
Look, get some monthly payments on. That's all you got. It's mortgage, contract till death. Let's see. You got some brown leaves, some green leaves. You got some kind of reddish leaf. Oh. Watch out for that.
He's trying to get you.
You got some open trees. You got some closed trees.
I can't.
And then if you go around here, right there, you see that? You got some wedge trees. Okay? Some of those trees just get wedged between each other when natural disasters happen. And then sometimes you can climb that. That's really steep, and I don't know how high it is.
You want to try it?
Yeah.
No! Gonna fall.
I might fall. But it's going to be fine. Hold my water bottle.
Oh my god. I'm gonna tape your death. You're crazy. There's water there. There's some water over there. You're gonna fall, you guys.
There's what? Don't get too close now. Don't get too close. Okay? This is only for professionals.
Professionals. You're gonna fall. Yo, if you fall, I'm running.
This is too deep these days. They said we had snakes in the area. Just under the leaves.
You better pray not.
Right now.
I'm running. I'm running. Okay, now you guys have to like this video. Oh.
I feel it in my back.
It's a curvicle. Spine workout right there. Yo, you're gonna fall. Come on. You're crazy. Like, oh my god, I'm so scared right now. My heart is beeping. I said beeping. Oh my god, I'm probably pulsing so hard. He's just gonna die.
Good.
Hopefully there's not a death today, okay?
I just feel everything from like right here. It just tingles a little bit.
It's because you're freaking in an edge.
I'm telling you, like, don't go. It's too dangerous.
Because you're in a freaking edge. Like I don't know, but you really can't tell if it's literally an edge. Like,
I might wait
an
too
edge.
much, and this thing might break. It might break.
Just go, get off. Oh, I see some people down there. You'll be fine. You can land on them. Run! It's gonna be a freaking snake and I'm gonna leave you. See? This could be your first video. Life tour video. Life tour video right there. Look at
somebody was there.
They're making it into an
like
animal,
this.
I think.
An animal?
They try to do two, look, it's 2 eyes, a nose, a hand, a body. See? Gotta be creative.
That?
You don't see it?
I don't see it at all. I mean,
like, you can tell.
Now I'll make it into an animal that looks at least realistic. Look, now you got a paw, you got the back leg, you got, I don't know what the hell this is supposed to be.
Make it a nose.
That's gonna be the head. Then more paws all over. Look, that's a dog.
Dog. Nice dog. I don't see no eyes. At least he did eyes.
I don't know
or
what
she.
animal you were seeing. What were you seeing? What kind of animal were you seeing?
It had eyes though.
Realistic.
At least it had eyes.
Mine looks like a dog. Look, that's the tail.
Okay.
That's the tail.
Short tail.
It's a Rottweiler.
Okay, guys, admire the dog.
Much better than your monstrosity.
Sure.
You got some birds up there? What is that?
I don't know. It's following us. It better not be a snake. I'm running, I'm telling you. He over here taking me to a trail that has snakes. You crazy.
It's cold outside. You ain't gonna see none. They cold-blooded.
So? What if they don't like us? Oh my god. That was so down. Whoa. Do you see that move? I saw that whole ground move with that one. This one.
Oh, there's probably a snake tunnel.
Stop saying stuff like that. Okay, we're gonna die. I'm gonna fall. You gonna see it? Somebody just rolling down. Okay. We're good, we're good, we're good. I'm scared. Take a video of that. The struggle. Oh my god. Why you making me go through here? There's probably an easier path.
You said you wanted to get to the water. We could have went down the easier path, but you wanted to go this way. So
I didn't say anything.
Come on.
Recorded the struggle. Oh my god, it's gonna get worse.
Give me this.
Turn not this way. Look at me.
I'm trying. Hold up. How you switch the camera?
Can't switch it.
Damn.
It's better quality that way.
Is it?
Yes.
Is it upside down?
There you go.
Is this good?
I don't know. I can't see.
I can't see it either. So, like, come on. Don't spill my water.
Just gonna leave it.
It's fine. It's fine.
Oh my god. I'm telling you, there's a spider or a freaking snake here. I'm just gonna roll. Roll down.
Hold up. Hold up. See, I can't get the right angle.
I can't. Here, give me.
You're gonna fall. Let's go.
I got this. I'm gonna say that. I'm gonna go there.
I'm gonna watch this. Oh shit!
You're making me laugh. You're making this harder than it is.
I grabbed it.
You're making me laugh. Okay, we're good. Ah, we're only halfway. You're making it seem easy. Gosh.
Ooh.
Oh. You ain't even looking down, that's why. Oh, look, it's a fish. It's not made of rocks. You're gonna get kicked out of this part. Little spider web. He's gonna. What? The fish?
No, it's
Gonna fall.
Look at this dude. No, 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 no.
I'm terrified. There's a spider or a snake here right now. Ethan! Look at it. Oh, that was a workout.
do something to wedge it.
Like it's gonna fall. Oh my god. I'm dying. Oh.
Looks like a biking trail.
You tip that over, we dying. Gonna fall over. Concludes our trip. We have survived. Passed by it the whole time. Oh my god! Ew! Look at that! There was a snake. That means there's one over here. Thank God. We are done. Can't believe we really drove to Delaware just to come to a park. We're so extra. When you love nature more than anything.